Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the series of learning of SS, I am explaining you chapter number 1 of civics, and today we will discuss forms of power sharing. And आपका ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा बेटा एग्ज़ाम के अंदर किस फॉर्म में? एक्सप्लेन द मेजर फॉर्म्स ऑफ पावर शेयरिंग इन मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसीज, या एक्सप्लेन हाउ पावर इज शेयर्ड अमंग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, और ऑप्शन एक और हो सकता है डिस्क्राइब हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल पावर शेयरिंग इन मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसीज. तो forms of power sharing, the idea of power sharing has evolved in opposition to the notions of undivided political power. It means आइडिया जो है पावर शेयरिंग का वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था कि जो पॉलिटिकल पावर थी या गवर्नमेंट के डिफरेंट लेवल्स थे उनमें जो है पॉलिटिकल पावर डिवाइडेड नहीं थी. एंड नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड आर डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रीज. So that's why it is the moral responsibility of a democratic government that most of its citizens should involve in the process of lawmaking. That's why power sharing is most important aspect of the political power in a democratic country. जैसे आपकी बुक में दिया है, in a good democratic government, due to respect is given to different groups and views that exist in a society. Everyone has a voice in the shaping up the public policies. Therefore, it follows that in a democracy, political power should be distributed or shared among as many citizens as possible. Means democratic government की क्या responsibility है? That it should respect to all the different groups which found in the society, which exist in the society, and every individual have the power to give the shaping of public policies. इट मीन्स सबको ये राइट मिलना चाहिए कि वो पब्लिक पॉलिसीज़ में पार्ट ले सके. और ये कैसे होगा? इट कुड बी पॉसिबल ओनली with the help of power sharing, because every citizen have right to make the laws according to the constitutional democratic government. So in the modern democracies, power sharing arrangements can be in various forms. तो फर्स्ट जो पार्ट है आपका, फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट है, फर्स्ट जो फॉर्म है पॉलिटिकल पावर्स को डिवाइड करने की, शेयर करने की, दैट इज़ पावर इज़ डिवाइडेड अमंग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. इट मीन्स गवर्नमेंट के जो डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स हैं उनके बीच में पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जाती है. एंड दीज ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट आर लेजिस्लेचर, एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड द जुडिशरी. And such a type of power sharing is also known as horizontal distribution of power sharing. Why it is called horizontal? Because it allows different organs of the government placed at the same plane to exercise different powers. Means each organs keeps a check on other. This provides for a balance of power among various institutions. Means this arrangement is referred to as a system of check and balances. आपका वेरी शॉर्ट में भी वो कुछ क्वेश्चन में भी वो पूछ सकता है आपसे, हाउ द हॉरिजॉन्टल पावर शेयरिंग is referred, it is referred as the system of check and balances. कैसे? Because legislative will make a legislative organ of the government will form the laws, executive will apply that laws, and judiciary will punish those persons who are not following the rules and regulations. It means every organ have equal power and they are checking that every organ is working according to the constitution or not. And this arrangement, this system referred to as a system of check and balances. Second type of power sharing is among government at different levels. Means power sharing among governments at different level, and it is also known as vertical power sharing. ये किस नाम से जानी जाती है? वर्टिकल पावर शेयरिंग. इन सम कंट्रीज देयर is a common government for entire country. Such type of government is called the federal government or the आपकी सेंटर गवर्नमेंट. लाइक इंडिया के अंदर स्टेट सेंटर लेवल पे फॉर होल ऑफ द कंट्री सेंटर गवर्नमेंट है. इन द प्रोविंसेस और इन द स्टेट इट इज़ नोन एज स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, एंड एट द लोकल लेवल इट इज़ नोन एज द लोकल लेवल गवर्नमेंट. मीन्स पावर इज शेयर्ड एट द डिफरेंट लेवल्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. इंडिया में 3 टाइप्स के लेवल्स हैं. फर्स्ट इज आपका सेंटर लेवल, सेकंड आपका स्टेट लेवल, थर्ड आपका लोकल लेवल. तो ऑल दीज लेवल्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ये क्या है? इन दीज लेवल्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट पावर इज शेयर्ड, इट इज़ नोन एज द आपका किस तरह के नाम से जाना जाता है? ये वर्टिकल पावर शेयरिंग. इन बेल्जियम वर्टिकल पावर शेयरिंग or federal type of government was there. That's why there was not any dispute among the different among the different linguistic groups. But in Sri Lanka such a type of federal system was not there. And the last point, third point is power may also be shared among different social groups. Means like India is a vast country and there are different social groups. It means वो social groups कौन कौन से हैं? Such as the religious groups, such as the linguistic groups, such as the community groups. It means in India there are so many linguistic groups, there are so many religious groups, there are so many community groups. तो in Belgium there was the community government, so that all the different religious group, linguistic groups or community group can make the laws according to their demands, according to their society or according to their community development. But in India there is not community type of government. In India there are legally, means constitutional arrangements are there, constitutional and legal arrangements are there for the weaker sections of the society. Weaker sections can be on the basis of आपके कास्ट बेस पे और आपके इकोनॉमिक बेस पे भी हो सकते हैं वो. एंड विमेंस, और कौन सी हैं आपकी weaker sections? Women's also the part of the weaker section society. It means according to the constitution in India, reserved constituencies are there in the assemblies and in the parliament of our country, so that every linguistic group, every backward class or every weaker sections of the society can take part in the decision making process. And in the parliament there is 1/3 reservation for the women, so that they can also get the chance to share the powers. And the last one point is the power sharing among the political parties, pressure groups and the movements. It means power sharing किस किस के बीच में? 3 चीज़ें हैं बेटा, political parties, pressure groups and the movements. Political parties क्या हैं? After 1990 there were so many regional political parties. When India got independent there was only one single major political party that was at the center level also holding the government, and that was also holding the government at the state level also. But after 1990 the origin means उदय होना, बनना, formation of the different local political parties, उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ? Not a single party get majority of votes. That's why more than one political parties they come together and they make the coalition government. It means एक से ज़्यादा political powers के बीच में क्या हुई? Power share हुई. ऐसे ही क्या है बेटा? There are so many organizations, there are so many workers, farmers, industrialists and businessmen and traders groups. Means agar if the government is not forming laws for the benefit of such groups, so these particular groups they form the organization, they form the pressure groups and they start the movement, so that they can make pressure on the government to change such a type of decisions. So these are the four ways of power sharing in the modern democracy. I hope you understand it in a better way. Thank you.